Hello everyone. Let's solve our next SQL LeetCode challenge from the joins category, and our question title is Product Sales Analysis. So let's start. Before we go through this complete description of the question, let's search for sample input and output tables. So this is your input table. Do we have only one table in the input? Check. No, we have two tables available under the input. So when you have a more than one table given in the input, means 101%, you have to perform the joins and you have to combine the results from two different tables. Okay. So as soon as we realize there are multiple tables present in the input, let's search for the common columns between two tables. So in this table, we have a sales ID, product ID, year, quantity, price. In this table, we have a product ID, product name. So what is the common column between two tables? Product ID. So 101% we are going to perform the joins by comparing these two columns between sales table and product table. So now let's check the output table. What exactly they want us to display. Okay. So I'll just scroll. This is the output table. We need to display product name from product table, year and price from sales table, because year and price is present in the sales table. Okay. So what do you think? How we will combine the results between two different tables now? We have the common columns also. So let's understand which type of join we have to perform with the help of one simple presentation over here. So this is the first sales table, input table, and this is your next input table, product table. And what output table they are asking us to display? This. Okay, understood. So in this two input table, tell me the common columns. Yes, product ID is your common column. So let's target those two common columns. So now we have to just identify whether we need to return matching records or matching plus non-matching records from left table, or matching plus non-matching record from right table, or matching plus non-matching records from both the table. This is what we need to identify. Okay, so let's see. By seeing the output table, what do you think, guys? Are we returning non-matching records? Do we have any null value inserted in the output table? No, right? So by easily we can predict we are just returning matching records. So whenever we want to return matching records, we have to use either equijoin or inner join, whichever you want. Because you can check, guys, in the output table, nowhere we have a null. Okay. So here also in data, nowhere we have a null. So non-matching records we should not consider. So let's see how we can return the matching records. So now let's perform the matching. First, we have to check each record from product ID of sales table. Do we have any matching in the product ID table of product table? Like this. So first we have to check, is 100 matching with 100? Yes. So we have to target these rows from both the tables because matching is there. Okay. Now what do you want to return? Everything, sales ID, product ID, year, quantity, price, everything should I display in the output? No. If matching record is there, then from the first table take year, price, and from second table take product name. So see, year, price, product name is Nokia. In the similar way, we have to match for next records. Is 100 matching with 200? No. Is 100 matching with 300? No. Is 100 matching with 100? Yes. So target the rows wherever matching is happening. So this 100 got matched over here. So from this table, we targeted this row. And from this table, we targeted this row. So what we have to return wherever matching record is there? From this table, this year 2009 and price 5000. And from this table, Nokia. So you can check next record, Nokia 2009 and 5000. Order of these columns doesn't matter. You display price first, product name, letter, nothing will happen. Data remain as it is, correct? Okay. So next, we have to check for next records. Is 200 matching with 100? No. 200 matching with 200? Yes. So target both the rows from both the tables. What to return? Year, price, product name. See here, wherever matching is happening, year, price, and product name for the matching record. That's all, guys. So all the records we have matched, we have returned. So we have to write the query for this. You can check it out here. Only matching records we have returned. We haven't touched any non-matching record over here. So I'm going to write the query for this. So select. What to select, we will discuss about it later. From which table? From cells table. S is a table aliasing. Inner join, you can use equijoin also. Inner join product table P. So what are the common columns? On, here you can use S dot product ID or cells dot product ID. Both are fine. Is equal to product dot product ID. Cells dot means cells is a table name. Dot means go inside it, target the product ID. Check, is it equal to product dot product ID? Go inside the product table and match for product ID. Okay. So wherever matching is there between these two columns, what we need to return? Yes, we need to return, see, from the product table, product name, so P dot product name, and from cells table, S dot year, S dot price. That's all. So rest everything your DBMS will do. We no need to tell, okay, this record match with this, okay, then match with this. No. Just tell two common column names inside the on condition. That's all. What you want to return? Give the column names from their respective tables over here and you will be getting this output table. Okay, I hope I'm clear with this. Now let's write the query and let's verify whether we are getting the same output or not. Okay. So what to select? As I have told you, we will decide later. So I will write select. Okay. From which table? From cells table S, inner join, product table P. Okay. S, I will write it over here. Product table P. On S dot product ID should be equal to P dot product ID. So if matching records are there, what to return? So I'm telling, go inside the cells table and first go inside the product table and fetch. See here in the output, product name. So product name is present in product table, guys. Correct? So P dot product name. Okay, next. We need to return year also. Year is present in which table? Cells table. Already join got performed internally. So I will tell S dot, what we have to return? Year. Okay. Next, S dot price. So we have written price. So I'm going to run the code. So product does not exist. What is our table name? Product only. Let me check. See here, spelling mistake is there. Okay, my bad. I'll just write product. Otherwise, logic is absolutely correct, guys. There is no issue with the logic. So again, let it re-execute. So done. Query got executed. So this is our final answer for this question. So now I will submit this code. So we are done with the second question as well. So you no need to solve 100 questions in one single day. We cannot become expert like that. Every day solve one question is more than sufficient. So instead of learning more, step by step, we will maintain the consistency every day for sure. One question, 101% from the LeetCode we will solve and soon we will become expert in it. So that's all about this video, guys. See you in the next video with the new challenge. Thank you.